Hello guys, you are welcome back to my channel on another video. Today's video, I want to take you through the International Student Study Room of Central South University. Okay, come with me. It's just on the third floor of our building, so I'm just using the staircase and I'll be there in a jiffy. So here we go. This is the entrance. You can see there is this here and it's so warm. You can see the chairs here, the sofas. Oh wow, sitting in this will be very comfortable. Oh, just want to have a feel of this. It's so comfortable. Oh, it's like 1:1. Let me try this. Oh, the place is so warm. Just want to have a look. And these are the bookshelves. There are lots of spaces around. And there is only one student here. I think there are students from Malaysia. They came to put something that shows they are from Malaysia, and this is a student from Yemen, also to signify that he's from Yemen. It's an international student study room. So I think I'm gonna put something from Ghana to here. There are lots of spaces here actually, and I can see there is an inscription. This is that is International Student Education or School of International Education. So here too has a sink in case you want to wash your hand. There is soap, detergent, and there is another heater here. It's so warm, like you can actually wear sleeveless and come and sit here. The place is so warm. So guys, this is the end of this short video. Thank you. See you in another video. Bye.